Hey guys, welcome back to another video by John Builds It. If you want to learn how to replace a broken HP laptop screen, keep watching.
Hey guys, here I have an HP Pavilion X360 with a broken screen. To remove the screen, I use the prying tool, and to disconnect the connectors, I simply pop off the tabs on the sides and pull the connectors out. Now it's time for the new screen. This screen came with the digitizer and the screen itself, the display. So that made it much easier to replace. The old display screen also has a connector. I removed it by removing the tape and disconnecting the connector. Reinstalling the new screen was easy. I simply connected the display connector back to the display and secured it with the tape. Then I connected the digitizer by plugging in the connectors into both ends of the small circuit board. To do so, I lifted the tabs and pushed the connectors in place. To secure the connectors, I simply pushed the tabs back down. Now it's time to secure the new screen. I simply pop the corners back into place, and that's it. And that's it, guys. Now it's time to plug in the power supply and turn it on.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Goodbye!